In this video, I will show you how to change your business address on Google Maps using Google My Business. To do this, first just open up Google and go and search for Google My Business. From there, if you are signed into your Google account, you will see all of your businesses that are linked to your Google account. Just click on the one that you want to do, so go to View Profile, and then what you want to do is click on Edit Profile. From within Edit Profile, you have the Location tab here, go and click on that, and then you have your business location. Just click on the pencil icon, which is Edit, and then make sure first that Show Business Address to Customers is on, although if you want to change it, it's probably already on. And then from here, you can then go and switch wherever you want to set your address to. Now, if you want to fully change the country that your business is in, you will need to create a new Google My Business account, since that is not possible to change within this account, but you can change your street address, town or city, state and postcode, and then just click save, and then your location on Google Maps will also change. So that's how to change your business address on Google Maps using Google My Business. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.